Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to buy Bitcoin in Trust Wallet with a debit card. First, open your Trust Wallet application on your smartphone. Make sure you have completed the initial setup, including securing your recovery phrase. Next, ensure your debit card is readily available and linked to your bank account. You might need to complete a quick identity verification process with the chosen third-party provider to comply with financial regulations. This step is crucial for a smooth and secure transaction. To begin your purchase, tap on the Buy button, usually found on the main screen of your Trust Wallet. From the list of cryptocurrencies, select Bitcoin, often abbreviated as BTC. You will then be prompted to enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to acquire. You can typically input this amount in your local currency, and the wallet will display the equivalent Bitcoin value. Remember to check the minimum and maximum purchase limits. After entering your desired amount, Trust Wallet will present you with several third-party providers, such as Simplex or MoonPay. Compare their rates and fees to find the best option for your purchase. Once you select a provider, you will be redirected to their platform to finalize the transaction. Here, you will securely input your debit card information, including the card number, expiration date, and CVV to process the payment. Before finalizing, carefully review all the transaction details, including the amount, fees, and the total cost. You might receive a one-time password or a notification from your bank to authorize the payment, adding an extra layer of security. Once confirmed, the transaction will be processed, and your newly purchased Bitcoin will typically appear in your Trust Wallet within a few minutes, ready for you to manage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.